Hey guys, welcome. I'm going to show you guys how we extended our driveway. We extended it by 10 foot over and it's 20 feet long. So basically I will hit up all of my friends every now and then. Like, hey, you guys want to come over and dig? And we could drink. So that's how we did it. It took us a month and a half to get it all done. But we eventually got it done, slowly but surely. For the cement, we went and grabbed 100 bags of cement. We brought it in our minivan. So we took like 6 trips to Home Depot. So for the cement, I got lucky. My dad and my father-in-law both know how to mess around with cement. So it was awesome having somebody that know how to do that. They don't do it as a job or anything. They're self-taught. They learn how to do it. They've been doing it their whole life. So yeah, so when it was time to lay down the cement, I just text everybody again, like, yo guys, we're gonna lay down some cement. I'm gonna grill, we're gonna have beer, we're gonna have liquor. Just come. And everybody said, yeah, I'm down. We had like, I think like 7 to 10 people who came over. There's people in the back. I got more friends and family in the back too, cooking and bringing us water and beer. But yeah, it took us all day. We started like at 10 in the morning and we finished it around 10 at night. So I want to use the space to work on cars or to just park the car there. Most likely going to be working on cars on that side. Okay, so we're finally done. Only thing left to do is to put some bricks right there where the dirt is. It's gonna make it look nice and it's gonna hold some of that dirt there.